All right, okay, I hope that you have copied question 1A already. Okay, now I'm moving on to question 1B, okay, which is on page 10. So John has 14 lollipops. He gives 5 lollipops to his friend. Okay, how many lollipops does John have now? Okay, in this question, gives to his friend, which means he gives away, that means he has lesser. Okay, so if you add, it's wrong. Okay, because you might have end up with more, which is wrong. John is giving away, so the number of lollipops becomes lesser. Okay, so let's take it away now. Okay, but before that, okay, let's write down Iwa. Okay, so remind you again, E is for equation, W is for working, and A is for answer. And let's draw our number bond. Okay, because we need this as part of our working. All right, now let's go into the work. Okay, the working. All right, so we need to take away 5. So there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 14. Okay, we're taking away 5. So this is subtraction, so which means it's whole part. So I fill in the whole, which is 14. I fill in one of the part, which is 5. So the sign that's between the whole and the part is subtraction. So 14, take away 5, gives me 9. Okay, now I move on to fill in my equation. So 14, take away 5 is equals to 9. So John has 9 lollipops now. Okay, I'm not done yet. I still need to check my work. So let's look for the equation. So there we have our equation. So I cancel that away. Okay, and then there we have our working. I cancel that away as well. So I'm looking for answer now. There. Okay, both has been filled up and answer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some time to actually copy this down. All right, and then I'll let you know what you need to know next.